Welcome. This video looks at tenant and landlord responsibility when it comes to smoke alarms. Working smoke alarms are compulsory in all rental homes. New smoke alarms must be photoelectric and have a long-life battery or be hardwired. This is because photoelectric alarms are far more effective than ionization alarms at detecting slow smoldering fires, which burn for hours before bursting into flames. Both landlords and tenants are responsible for smoke alarms. The landlord is responsible to ensure smoke alarms are working, and to replace any smoke alarms that no longer work with long-life photoelectric smoke alarms. Smoke alarms must be installed within 3 meters of each bedroom, door where a person sleeps, and in each level of a multi-story home. We recommend installing a smoke alarm in every bedroom, hallway, and living area. You may also choose to install a heat alarm in the kitchen, laundry, bathroom, or garage. Smoke alarms must also be installed in any caravans and self-contained sleep-outs that are rented out. If the rental has an older alarm with a 9-volt battery, replacing the battery is the tenant's responsibility. To sum up, both landlords and tenants are responsible for ensuring smoke alarms are working. Landlords must maintain working smoke alarms in a rental, and tenants must replace batteries if the battery is not built in. Any replacement alarms must be photoelectric smoke alarms with a 10-year long-life battery, because they are good at detecting smoldering fires. You can find heaps of useful information on the Tenancy Services website or Fire and Emergency. If you have any questions or would like us to visit you, give the Invercargill Fire Station a call.